Okay, hello kids. I'm going to explain you the activity that we will do for this lesson 4. Go ahead and share it with you. The activity says, first part of the activity says, go into the website google.com/maps and explore in the menu of the city where you live. Check some city points using the different options such as the following. And the first assignment is, it says, in the map layout, enter your address and your school address as a destination point and explore the options you get. Write some notes on interesting places you've never noticed. Now, let me show you the Google Maps. This is Google Maps. Okay, just enter Google Maps into the web browser on Google, and it will take you to this website. I'm pretty sure you have seen it before in your parents' phones whenever they want to search for a place. I'm going to enter my mom's address. Here it is. And I'm going to get some directions for the school. Actually, this will be here. See, and the school address, it will be, just need to enter Esfer, and it will give you either the one in Cordilleras or the one for San Felipe. I'm gonna use this one for San Felipe because it's closer to my house. And as you can see, it gave me 3 options. Okay, gave me 3 options. This from, I live very close to my mom's, that's why I'm using her address. And it's given me 3 options. The first one, it goes all the way straight, all the way into the roundabout of Pancho Villa. And this is where I can turn and get to the school. The other one goes all the way through Independence Street, and I turn around some streets and eventually get to this school. The third option is not the most efficient one since it takes me through Teofilo Borunda Street, Canal Chubiscar, and I have to go around some of the parks right here in the Palomar. So I don't think this is a good route. Now let me show you what I wrote. You need to write something similar to this. I wrote the three options. You're going to do something like this. Let's see what you can get. Remember that you can have the address on detail on the Google Maps, so you can write that you turn left, that you turn right, that you go straight in whenever options it gives you. The second assignment that you need to do also using the Google Maps, it's explore in the satellite layout, explore your neighborhood and write some of your discoveries. Let me show you how is that. The satellite layout is this one. So you can close this after you finish. And this is layers. The satellite layout is this one. So as you can see, now you can see like if you were flying an airplane. Let me get my mom's house. There it is. Where is right here. So what you can write about it, for example, in my mom's neighborhood, I wasn't aware that there was a wine store in front of her house. So this is something that I can write. In front of my house, there's this kind of a store, or maybe you can write down, I didn't know that behind my house there was a piece of land that it was unoccupied. There are a lot of places like this that you can explore. Maybe you can write something like, oh, there's a huge tree in my neighbor's patio that I was never aware of it. There's some, oh, oh, actually, look at this. I also weren't aware that here's like a patio in this block. I know this house, but I wasn't sure that this it has a patio, big patio, triangular patio. So you can write similar things that you explore around your neighborhood. Okay, like the way I just did a moment ago, and you can write them on the second assignment that it says that you have to explore and write some of your discoveries. The third discovery, the third assignment, sorry, it's in the terrain layout, explore some of the hills that are around the city and write down or take a print screen to note what is the altitude. Let me show you what you're going to do. This has to be done like this with this other layout. The third layout is here, terrain. And as you can see, it looks pretty much the same as the street layout, but take a look on the hills. The closest hill to my house, I guess, is El Cerro Coronel. But as you can see lines. Lines. What are these lines? These lines are telling me the altitude that this hill has. As you can tell, some of the hills also close to my house are 1,600 meters. Let's see how big is the Cerro Coronel. Oh, it doesn't, well, it says there, but the title of the Cerro Coronel is blocking me the view. Oh, here it is. It's 1,500, 1,600 meters as well. Okay, so this is the last activity that you will do during this activity, during this exercise, just to write down the information that you just got here. For example, the closest hill has 1,600 meters above the sea level. And for example, in the second activity, I found a huge tree with my neighbors and a triangular patio. Okay, whatever discoveries you find, go ahead and write them down. Obviously, you have to do your own. And this will be it for our for the activity on lesson 4. Thank you so much.